what's up, guys? That was the best intro ever. Don't you dare say otherwise. It was the best intro ever. The best falsetto and all. That was great. And we got a new sub already. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kojak is already here with a 51 month and still going. What is up, Kojak? What is up? How about we start the intro right now? Boom. 3, 2, 1. 0. Ow, this is loud. This is very, very loud. Ah! Oh my god. You're the best. You guys are the best. Okay, that was very loud. I apologize for your beautiful ears of yours. Your beautiful, small, and cute ears of yours. I'm very sorry. I dropped the volume a bit, though. She'll be okay. She'll be okay. What up, Rikajuk Beck? What up, Alpine? What up, Happy Juice? Apple Juice. Good. Guys, it feels good to be back. That's what I'm trying to say with that mouth of mine. What's up? It's been forever. Again, right? I feel like I'm coming on the stream every 2 weeks and say, now I want to start streaming for real, and then stop for another 2 weeks because stuff happens. But yeah, today I didn't have much to stream actually, but I decided to kick my butt and try to do it anyway. So, you know, there's something that I was always worried about, to show something that's always been interesting to you guys. Like every time I go and stream, and just be sure that you're gonna have some entertainment out of it. I'm a coder, and coding is not interesting to watch. So most of the time I'm like, that's gonna be boring to stream, you know. When I'm working on something, I'll be like, yeah, I could stream, but it will be boring. And then today I'll be like, you know what? I remember back in the good old days, it was my job to make it entertaining. It was my job to try to make something boring interesting. Because my friends, coding is far from being uninteresting. It's freaking awesome. I love it. It's my passion. I freaking love to code. It's been 10 years already and counting, even more than that, almost 15 years. And I love coding. So I think that even if I do something that's more about like engine stuff or something like on the back end, something a little bit less exciting to be showing, decided to just go and do it anyway and try to do something. I remember back in the good old days, I was streaming stuff sometime that led to nowhere, like my computer breaking and just me trying to make my computer work again. And I didn't mind back then, you know? I was just sharing those moments with you, because that's part of game dev as well. A lot of people think that game development only relies on me having a controller like this and just playing game all night long, you know? Even my kids still think that's what I do. That making games is just all about having a controller in my hand, and that's it. Where's my punch? Ah, sorry, like I switched the there's no sub count here. Let me switch it to chat. Hang on though, I think I have something that I have to do right now. I'm gonna switch it to secret mode. There we go. Boom. I'll go in secret mode. So now if you want to punch me in the face, it will work. I'll just be small here. I'm sharing stuff that I think I don't want to share stuff that, you know, might compromise myself right now. So, yeah, this is going to be chatting a bit. But yeah, my point is, back in the days, I did not mind sharing stuff that was, to my knowledge, uninteresting. I just did it anyway. So, I thought, you know what? How about I try to do that again? And see how it goes, you know? So, that's what I'm going to do. So it's not gonna be a screen like this the entire time. I'm just trying to do something. Oh yes, it works. Boom! Finally. Okay. Can I share the screen? I don't know. I don't know if I can share the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna push it and I'll tell you what I just did. Can I just upload this? I don't know. I think I can do this, and this. You know what? Yeah, I want to share my screen. I'm just gonna close everything because right now I'm working with Sourcery. So, you know what? I'm just gonna stream what I'm doing. Oh, shit. Already made a mistake. Hang on. Just bleeps and bloops. Voila. And I just want to pull everything, please. Boom. So I'm doing something on the server side, guys. And I think that now it should be good. Yes! Sweet. No, hang on. Asset, login. Yes! Alright, sweet. Alright. So, I'm gonna share a screen. And hopefully, Emily won't be like, hey, you should not stream that. It should be good. It should be good. There you go, streaming for charity as well. I'm gonna say that as well. All the money received right now goes to StackUp.org. StackUp are good friends of ours. They are a charity for veterans that come back from the war. And yeah, they're doing some very cool stuff with them. So I just wanted to give them everything I get here to them. So that's something I wanted to do, and that's why I wanted to stream back as well. I always want to give, like, whatever I receive here, either I give it back to you or I give back to a charity. So this month, what are we gonna do until 1 November 1st? We're gonna give everything that we receive here to Stack Up, and right now I think we're already up to 2,000. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for all that money that will go to a good cause. So yeah, I don't know. The collider not working. I don't know if I'm sharing something I should not. I want to check it out. I want to just start that up and check it out. Yeah, just bleeps and bloops. Just bleeps and bloops. Yeah, I mess up my own name, right? Just bleeps and bloops. There we go. It's confirmed. Just latch and latch and latch and the latch, which latch and latch. Zero H, making my my pop up be like all kind of colors. Tasty water. Tasty water. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to go back on stream because I miss the old days where I was just like streaming every single day. Well, I don't miss them as much, but you know, I kind of like that I was streaming every single day back in the days to show what I was doing. And now, why the hell is it in that weird position? Is there a filter on that? If I go this and I go fit the screen, that's not my screen. You drunk stream OBS. That is not my stream. There you go. That's my stream. That's my entire stream. Something that, okay, model bundle already is breaking. Oh yeah, okay, so I have to set up the entire engine here. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. So right now, guys, what I'm trying to do here is, taking care of my gun, for starters. Alright, there we go. So, where am I? For the past 2 weeks or so, I've been working on that other project that I'll be streaming here and there. Once in a while, actually. There's another game. I don't want to say the name of the game, but we got another game that you'll see a couple of assets here, actually, today. I've been working on that on super full prod mode, meaning that I've been working on it with all my attention, all my focus, because Mark was waiting for me to finish this up. Mark is an artist, one of the co-founder of Berserk Studio. He was waiting on me to get my ass to work and deliver him something. So I give him something, like a game that he can like with a level editor inside of it, so he can mess up with it and like construct levels and all that. So now he's independent. I did my part of the job. I give it to him, and yeah, he's gonna be able to start working on that. So I'm finally free of that game. I'll be working on there more because like there's still polished sounds, music, and all that kind of stuff. You know, it's far from being done. But at the very least, right now, it's a first playable. So we have something that we can start play around with. So yeah, I was really rushing that out so Mark does not go like for the entire weeks, you know. So every time I was, every day I did not finish, he was going like this. So, you know, I just wanted to rush that out. Since we are a team, I just want everybody on my team that has... everybody in my team has something to do. I see Mr. Zanona, please return to Indie Your Face. I'm that's another of my million project I started up, and I wish I could do. Maybe one day. Maybe one day I will do it back. I love those, by the way. I really like those, and I think I have way much more stuff to say now than back in the days. I love them, but you know, I have to choose. Like, do I stream? Do I do YouTube? Or do I do tools? Or do I do games? And after a while, I'm like, there's too much to go. So today, guys, I'm gonna put back some music-ish. Maybe it's good. I don't know, it might be unfocusing me. I'll put it a little bit in the background, alright? We'll see how it goes. This game has a horse in it? Yes, all of the horses. All of them. All the horses. So today what I want to do is start from a clean slate. I will probably show some engine stuff, guys, to show you how what's behind the hood, what's under the hood at Berserk Studio. That thing here kind of distract me a bit. Alright, there we go, like this. That'll be good. Yeah, I want to show you how it works at Berserk. So right now I have an engine that we built here at Berserk that we can take the same engine on every single project. Basically, it's an ECS system, the Entity Component System, the very same that Unity has. But I don't rely on Unity game objects and all that except for rendering. Because I wanted my engine to be platform agnostic. What does that mean? What the hell does that mean? It means that if I want to build a game in Unity, or if I want to build it in Monogame, or in Unreal, or whatever, I can just take my engine and go to somewhere else and have like all the code, all the game code working in whatever platform I want. We did some tests with that. It worked really well. My first intention was to switch the game development here from Berserk from Unity to Monogame, because if you remember back in the days, I was doing some Flash. I was still doing Air, so everything was coded in the Air first and then switched to Unity. But that led to like maybe a week or two on converting everything from Flash to Unity. It took a while. And you know, it made some we kind of had to not build the game twice, but you know, we had to convert everything and separate the job and all that, you know. Nana! Lashma, dude, it's been 1 year. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Will I code? I don't know. That's why I'm streaming. Because I don't need to work when I stream. I can just like whatever, start singing and just like talk and all that. Where was I? The good old days I was doing on Flash. Someone clip that for me, please. I should finish the song at least. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday to the... It's not your birthday, but it's your sub-birthday. That counts. It does count. Alright, back to work. Okay, so... engine stuff, platform agnostic. So yeah, since we were working in Flash and then converting into Unity, we barely touch at anything Unity related. We have our own entity component system and we talk with our own engine, and then when we go to another engine, we can translate the part that is engine specific, for example rendering, inputs, all that kind of stuff, into that engine. So if I call, for example, hey, is the button click? I don't care if it's in Flash, Unity, or a toaster. I just want the engine to tell me, yeah, the button has been clicked in this specific engine, you know? So I can just like rip up some wires, plug some other wires, and the rest just work. So I spent a lot of time doing all that. Lash the pretty girl singer. I'll take it. Yeah, I spent a lot of time cleaning the entire engine. And that's what the other project I'm talking about that I'm doing with Mark has been useful to me. So I've cleaned the entire engine. I did that for Infernax as well. And now I did it, I want to do it for GSB. as well. At least the level editor, because you know, I've been working on a new level editor, so I just want to do that here. I'll slowly do that because with my new engine, it goes super fast. Finally, we got news. Oh my god, M just gave 1 million subs to everyone. We're gonna have like lots of notification. Just like flooding the community with monies and sub. Check it out. Boom, boom, boom. Sub for you. Sub for you. Sub for you. Okay, so let me check. How many? We got Linky up, and we have Golden Dusky, we got Alpine, we got Zirkles, and Surgeon Saras. Congratulations for the beautiful sub, and thank you very much, Emily. That money will go where? Will go on a charity called Stack Up. That's what we're gonna do today. We need to change that in the alerts. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, that's something I could do here, actually. Emily is Berserk's Mr. Beast. I get that reference. So, one thing I did with my engine... I'm gonna do that every time I say engine. One thing I did with my engine is, again, make it platform agnostic, blah, blah, blah. I told that already. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, another sub. There we go. Clip. Senji! 85! 5 months and still fighting. Thank you very much for the sub. Lots of punch in the face already. Okay, so one thing I did with my engine is cleaning everything, like separating every function of the engine into separate group. So the first one is Berserk Util. I know it's very small on your head, on your side. Maybe if I do this, you'll see a little bit more. But sorry, that's in Unity. I cannot really. Can I zoom on this? I don't know, but whatever. You can see the Berserk here, Berserk engine and all that. The first one is Util. All the things here in Util are just little classes that I use everywhere in the game. Like text constants, for example. Which probably already exist somewhere, I don't know. But those are just like the little classes that I use here and there. Like callback, for example. Callback, you can call that to add a function with parameters. And it's basically an action. That one is nice. Some Berserk extension as well. Like, yeah, pick a random X, random Y, blah, blah, blah. Some extension like this. Very, very, very simple. So those are the first part. So what we can do here in Unity is you do this, and then you go create assembly definition. So what will this does? What does did this do? That was a perfect sentence. 10 out of 10. So what does this do? What the hell? Anyway, assembly definition. Already compile the code that's inside of this folder. So before, with the Just Shapes and Beats, currently and all the other projects we had in the past, everything was always compiled every time you change one line of code. So if I change one line of code, I compile like 400 classes that doesn't need to be compiled. I know that in Unity, when you put something in plugin, theoretically it should be compiled before, but I think that if you do this, it's gonna be even more cleaner and even more faster. That other project goes super fast. The project has been like, it's like millions of class already, not millions, but like thousands of class, and it's freaking instant in Unity. So that's what I like. That's what I've always hated about Unity back in the days, up until the build 2019.3, which is very good, very fast, but up to this point I was always preferring Flash because I was doing one line of code and boom, it was on the screen. Finally, with those little modifications in the engine and all that, I can achieve the same level of performance, and that's pretty cool. So the first one is Util. Next one is F2U. F2U is no, it's not bad words like F to you, good sir. Frick you. It's Flash to Unity, actually. So this one will take care of rendering and understanding all the animation inside from Flash. So I can put that into an animation, into XMLs and all that, and put the same animation in Unity. So that's the folder right over here. That's what we're gonna do. Assembly definition is identical. What's up, man? Welcome to the show. My name is Latch, and I'm doing code and stuff like this. So I'm gonna do like a little assembly definition with this guy over here, and now this guy also rely on the Berserk util I just made before. So I'm just gonna do this, boom, and I'll tell this folder here that, hey, all the classes inside here might or might not depend on this little guy over here, and that's it. So this little compiler here will not try to check out all reference everywhere else. It's just gonna stick to this guy over here. ECS says it. It's the entity component system. It's basically our fake Unity assembly definition. So there we go, ECS. So that's the same thing here. I just need to do this for all the assembly definition, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this up to the point where Unity stopped working. SamKit 15 is following. Welcome aboard, my friend. Flash, more like Flash. Come on, Unity, come on. Come on, Unity. There's a show going on right now. All right, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna rename this for Berserk debug. Ah la 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 la. La 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 la. Fun fact, that music from the Paradise in Just Shapes and Beats, the old big world and all that, the Paradise was supposed to be way bigger and complicated than that at the beginning. The little boat and the little helicopter was all supposed to be part of that scene over here, but then I realized it was way too much information, way too much new information to the player. And also, I also realized that people wanted to play GSB not to have like a puzzle experience, more like, okay, next, and rush of adrenaline. So I made everything more linear at that point. But yeah, at first it was supposed to be like you have to find your way out, and it was secret somewhere. And yeah, I decided to make like, okay, fuck it, I'm just gonna make like, this is a start, you have to go right, and then at the end there's something happening. Okay, so I got demo, I got this one, I'm gonna go with this one as well, bzkey.assetLoader Unity. So this one, asset loader and asset loader Unity are very interesting. The asset loader are just a bunch of classes that help me load stuff, load resources. So either like sprite, atlas, textures, animation, zip file, wave, mp3, sound, whatever. Something that's all the asset externally. So I made a couple of classes that are very, very helpful. I just want to be sure I have the latest one. Yeah, okay. So I might show you that later on. And the Berserk Unity here, I made basically the same thing as asset loader here, but something more Unity related. So I can load from resources, for example. So I have a little request here that will just take a generic class if it doesn't lag like this. Of course I'm live, so everything lags, of course. But that's part of the job, right? That's part of the job. I told you guys. I told you that it might be not uninteresting, but it's my job to make it interesting. Wap wap wap. Bap 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 bap. Map map masano. Wow. Yeah, Unity just froze. You know, Unity is a perfect program ever. Unity has no problem whatsoever. If you hear somebody else say something else on the internet, it's totally false. You see, it's just broken. It's just 15 minutes in, and the game, not a game, but Unity is already broken. Alright. Control Alt Delete, I guess. I'm gonna switch to this, just in case that something should not be over here. Oh, I think I know why. I think it's because of this dude over here. Is that it? Usually that's why. Sometimes Unity locks when Visual Studio is open and vice versa. So they're just both like waiting on each other. So you just like kill one and the other just follows. There we go. That was exactly that. Alright, let's switch to chat now. Hey, so I was talking about this little class over here. This little class, yeah, again, it's a Unity resource, so I pass the type of resource I want to load over here, and I just load it here with an async, and then I say, yeah, it's all done, basically, you know. But that's since that is specific to Unity, I made a different assembly definition for this little dude, and I think util will be good. Apply. Yeah, you kill one and the other just follows. Lash. You guys can blackmail me so much with all the crap I say here. La 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 la. So asset loader will rely on util right over there. Apply. Boom. And we have this one here that's been done. The debug one, I'm not sure. I think debug needs like all of the classes. Okay, so I'm gonna kill VS. I ordered a new laptop, by the way, guys. I should receive it like tomorrow. And I can't wait to receive it. I just can't wait. It should be faster than this one. Alright, so the grid... or Mr. Grid over here, man, it takes forever. I swear to you, when I'm done with that, everything will be way faster. That's why I really hated Unity for a long time, but I finally made it. Finally made it happen. Everything can work fast in Unity and go super, super beautiful and all that. I think it's only those. So if I go apply, voila. That's the debug. ECS. Did I do ECS already? Oh my god. I'm having a multi-stream, by the way, guys. For those of you who say, like, oh, that's because you're streaming, so it takes some power. C'est inexact. Et c'est encore une fois. I'm having two different computers, so my laptop is not aware that I'm streaming at all. La, la. Apply. Okay, so I got the ECS here. This little dude here, I'll do the same. Assembly definition, BZK, ECS, Unity. La, la. Util, F2U, F2U, good sir. ECS, yeah, ECS. Finally, asset loader, I believe. Yeah, probably gonna need asset loader Unity as well, and probably gonna need. That's it. That's it. ECS Unity? No. F2U? I think I got them all. I think I got them all. Apply. Ooh, apply. Yeah, and this dude. Oh, this dude here might need asset loader. I think it does. Asset loader, come on, boom. So I separated all my engines, so theoretically I could send only the Flash to Unity part. Like let's say another company out there, another game dev wants to export animation from Flash to Unity. I could theoretically just give him the part of the code that handled that, and he would not need the entire ECS system, for example, which is proper to Berserk, but the Flash Unity could be exported to all people. So I could, in theory, put that into an asset in the asset store and sell that. But I don't want to. I just don't want to do that. Because if I sell it, that means that people will want me to support it. If I support it, that means I don't make more games anymore. I mean, I made the Lash tools, I made it for free, and people ask me all the time, hey, can you add this feature or this feature? Can you help me out? Like the thing is bugged or it doesn't work, Y, X, Y, and Z, you know? So, and I don't complain. I mean, that means that they like the system, they like the tool. But that also means that I'm adding more job into my face. Assembly cannot itself. Did I do that? I did that. Bad, Latch. Bad! You cannot refer to the same assembly. That. Oh, come on. Could not delete that thing. Okay, apparently it doesn't mean. Hey, Monkey Man, what up? Monkey Man! Okay, so Flash to Unity also relies on two little dudes. It relies on TK2D. Again, TK2D, I know that the thing is being deprecated. I don't think the guy is supporting it that much nowadays because Unity has released its own sprite system, and most of people use that, you know. However, I made the TK2D thing work 10 years ago, and now it works, and the thing that I work with, the thing that I'm using are the same that has been coded like 10 years ago. I could change that part of rendering system from TK2D to the Unity sprite system. I could do that, and with my engine it's super easy because I can just unplug the rendering system for this and plug it on the other side. But it works, so I'm like, meh, it works already. So maybe one day I'll do the switch, but right now it works, and I know it passed the test of being super fast and all that. So I'm like, nah, maybe one day I'll do it, but for now I don't need. I don't wanna. I will use Unity or GameMaker because I'm a baby. What? What? That means I'm a baby as well. Yay! I'm a baby. By the way, guys, today will be a very small stream. I have to go get the kids at 3. My wife has gone again, and my wife is gone. Not definitely. We're still together. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for those of you who thought, well, you had chance. But no, I love my wife. She's still with me, but she's gone. Physically, she's gone. She's went to another town for a while. So I have to take care of the kids. That's basically the whole the thing that yes, Unity needs that. Oh, okay. That song has been done. Well, the level of that song has been done like in an hour or so. It was super fast. No, I think I did not do the same thing. Berserk the Bug. Cannot find what? FTU Unity. Ah, okay. Boom. That's bad though. Should not rely on FTU Unity. I'm a baby! Last meme again. My wife is gone! You guys are just like quoting me all the time. I'll take it. I'll take it. People talk about me. I like. I'm still relevant. Berserk the Bug relies on this? Question mark? Okay. I forgot what does it mean. For those of you who don't know what's happening right now, I am working on my, not engine, but I'm working on cleaning Just Ships and Beats, so you guys have like even better, faster, stronger, harder, so basically I can work faster. Because when I'm doing creative job, I really hate when my tool are not working as intended, as it should. Whenever like I'm coding and something breaks because, or it's just like super slow, I'm very discouraged. You know, I'm like on the verge of being depressed. I'm like, oh, I don't want to do that little pixel of a chain. It's gonna take me forever. Even though in reality it takes only 15 seconds. But whenever I do iteration and I want to do like something fast, for example, making new levels, for example, I can already see Emily go like, "Damn you!" Emily and Mike. Mike is shivering right now. So, for example, if I want to making a new stuff and my entire work. Actually, this morning I opened up GSB level editor and say, oh, okay, cool, I'm gonna make new levels or just work on some levels here and there, you know. And I was discouraged, like everything was super slow, and I was like, I don't want to work on that. I don't want to. So I decided, you know what, fuck it. If I take the time now to take my tool and sharpen them, so I can like everything is super. you know, it works really good, you know, and I can rely on them the rest of the production for the next years to come will just benefit from that, multiplied by the number of people on the team, you know. So okay, yeah, I saw that a million times. Okay, so this rely on Mr. iSharp's. Is it there? It's not there. I think I need to do something like this. Yeah, revert. There we go. This, I really like this little module over here. This little module over here is something that you can read. It's code that you can read from a zip file. So you can load a zip file and just read inside of it. Because, did you know that an FLA is actually just a zip? So if, for example, I go to just shapes and beats here, visual and whatever, I pick this guy here, alright? If I pick this guy here and I put it there, and I hope I'm not sharing something bad, whatever, okay, it's right over here, alright? I'll take another folder. Gros caca! And I put that there. Alright, so if I take the zip file here, you barely can see, but I take not a zip file, but the .fla, I do zip instead. Like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I know what I'm doing. And now it's a zip. If you double click on it, say what? It works. It's actually, so an FLA is actually a zip, and you can check out into the library. You see everything in the library. You go into exported, and I can see, oh, what's a enemy appear round spike 3? That's something in my library in Flash. If I double click on this, it doesn't work. I need to export it and all that. But yeah, whenever you an FLA is actually a zip, so you can I can from Unity tell, hey, go look into that FLA. So I can just like save in the FLA and then reload my project, and it will already be switched right there. You know, I don't need to recompile because it's gonna load it from there, and that's pretty handy. That is super handy. So that the thing that allow me to go read in zip files is this little dude over here. I found out on internet. John Riley! Big round of applause to Mike Kruger and John Riley. It's a free software. So I think we're good. I think. Am I good? If not, I'm gonna contact the guy. Like, I should check out. And right now I'm doing in dev. Right now I'm in dev, so I'm not really release anything. But I should check out with the guys. I'm not. Okay. Let's try this, and I hope that will be useful. But without any warranty, without any American. Okay, I think we should be good. Anyway, if I'm not good, you know, I'll do the good thing. Okay, apply. Hey, Steve 18. We are professionals. Paul Bordeaux. Paul Bordeaux really got my reference. Gros caca, really? Just look down on me. Really? Yeah, I'm a professional. I like to drop some French nuggets here and there. Assembly, duplicate, reference. Did I do it twice? Yep, I do it twice. I did it twice. So you get out. Apply. Then I got to meet you at PAX. Hey, Steve. Yeah, of course. Can you remind me? I'm glad I saw you at PAX as well. But I have difficulty to connect your face with the nickname I see on the screen right now. TMP base could not be found. Kojak with the baguette. Oh, I think it compiles. No, it does not compile. Damn it! The type namespace collection data could not be found. Okay, so that's in the ECS Unity. That means I need to put a TK2D right over here. TK2D, please. Boop, boop, boop. Kojak, by the way, with this new system over here, everything goes super fast. And I don't know if I show you the model song. What? Oh, song. Okay. Yeah. It's all good. I don't remember what I have to do here. I think I just switched it for Audioclip. But yeah. I don't remember what I wanted to say. Oh yeah, I made sub-modules. Look at that, it's still broke. Task manager, let's close some porn. There you go. You are out. I'm gonna stop this porn over here because it's taking too much time. Alright, there we go. You should not do those. You have not. Alright, let me show you the thing. So I have something on the server called Berserk Engine, and then there's Flash to Unity right over here and all that, blah blah blah. But I have a module, a sub module. If I open up source tree right over here and I go into just beeps and bloops, I got a sub module. Alright, there we go. You can see the sub module here, very handy. So the sub module here is something that you can take from file to file. So for example, here I got the sub module here. That means that this will go into my Just Bleeps and Bloops Unity, this asset plugin, Berserk Unity. There we go. That here is the engine code. If I change something here, you will see it here. But then if I push that up here, it will also reflect in Infernax, for example. So the submodule system is not reflected in Infernax, but it could in theory. Should we? That's another question, but that's something very handy that have this with this and the other project. Voila. So it's very handy. Model song, yeah, there we go. So model song here, I think it was the same. I think I took the model sound SQG. La 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 la, ra la li lo, la la. Ra la la lu, la la lui, la la lu la lu, la lui. Generate Unity, Berserk module. This guy here, generate Unity. So it needs the asset loader as well. Is that it? Like technically, I'm not sure, but technically I could just make an assembly definition for the entire engine here and be done with it. However, I like to separate everything. And I think it'll be faster this way. Like if I change a class here or if I change something here, it will not reflect the entire project. It will only recompile this part here. And also suppose that it's going to be faster this way because everything is more, you know, encapsulated. Okay, Berserk debug. I got this dude over here. Generate Unity. Okay, so Berserk debug here. I need the asset loader Unity. Boom. Dude. Will it compile? If we can compile something before the end of the project, I'll be happy. Yeah, Kojak, actually, having some more branches and all that, that's kind of why I decided to make a sub-module with it, you know, so it's an actual repository. So if, for Infernax, for example, not for Infernax, but whatever, if whatever project works and been released and all that, and then we do some changes to the engine and we're too scared to do something with the other game that's been already released, we can make a branch of that over there and then just like cherry pick some stuff in there, you know. So that could be good. Model font. So what's up with you, model font? Okay. There's no this. That was weird. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Namespace meta could not be found. It does exist. Whoops. Wow. It's supposed to be in there. Ah, I think it's like this. Is that it? No. Just rename stuff. Here, what about that? FLA and what's your problem? Oh, forced inting. Yeah, I did remove that. Screw that. Is exported as well. Boom. Create exported. That's bad. Okay, will it compile? Will it compile? Okay, yeah, the platform and all that. Okay, if I go there, asset source SQG games, where it is? Where it is? Model platform, where it is? Model platform, where are you? Bro. Model platform. Model platform. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Not the bundle though, just this one. How about now? Build type. Where's build type? Where's build type? Frickin' damn it! It's nowhere. What the hell? Do I need to do like a refresh or something? Refresh. How come it's not there? Come on, just copy pasted it. Right here. It's right there. Oh, platform. Okay, right there. Okay. Model platform. Gang, could not be found. Where are you then? You are in asset source something. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's because you're right over there. Okay, so if I create another folder here, I call it game. I'm gonna put like all of those things in. Yeah. Both of those things here. Put your project info, model platform. Yeah, you here need to be inside a namespace. SQG game. Well, actually, you know what? Frick that! Where's my project info? I want to take this one here. I want to copy paste that right here in model and no. In game. Where's game? Oh, boo. There you go. Replace. And game should not be there. It should be in there. I believe, right? Hang on. Asset source. That's just bleeps and bloops. I need this one. SQG game. Oh yeah, there we go. So SQG game. That needs to be in there. Boom. Okay, yeah. So SQG should be different. Because SQG was the prefix of that other game I'm working on. Okay, build type. Where the hell is build time? Build type, I mean. How come it's not there? Berserk ECS. It should be in Berserk ECS. I believe. Where are you? Frickin' damn it, where are you? Here? Build type. Alright, where are you? Open file location. In meta? Okay. I don't judge you, bro. I'm just gonna copy paste that here then. Meta. Boom. Alright. Debug shortcut. Yeah, this does not exist. Screw that. Okay. Init Simon is a model behavior, but I will do something as well here. In asset init here. I'll just take base and Simon. No, not Simon. I'll just take base. I need base. Init base. Alright, so this dude over here will be like this, init base. And I think I'm just gonna close VS because VS has been through a lot lately, so I'm just gonna give it a break. Poor little VS. Type what the hell is that? I got a base here. Okay. Enum is not done. I think because I need to do something like this. Enum. Yeah, Enum. It's there. So what's your problem, bro? Does not exist. It does exist. Can you look again, please? It's right over there. Can I refresh something then? SQGNM. SQGNM. It's right over there. What's your problem, bro? Well, the name is correct. Everything is correct. Except your face. What's up? Hang on, I'm gonna take this as well. Just call it SQG game. Ah, damn it. Rename. Come on, Unity, I just want to show some tank to everyone here. The people here in the audience want to show some action. They want to see some action, not show. They want to see some action. Come on. Please, allow me to do so. The game rely on everything except everything Unity related, and that's my biggest achievement. I know for those of you who are not coder, you'll be like, but I'm very, very happy about that. If I can finish it, if I can make it compile, I promise you some tank. All right. Ah, damn it. No! Again, I need to close some porn. Close porn. Close! Alright, there we go. I told you, sometimes you call Unity, okay, open VS, and you go like, okay, I'm gonna wait. And then you just wait. But VS is crashed, so you're just like, okay, I'm waiting. So if you kill VS, like, VS gonna die, but then Unity will be like, hey, open up, alright, and then it goes back and everything unfreeze. I don't know why, but hey, who am I to judge software relationship, right? Asset loader, there you go. No, VS, take your time, I'll be with you soon. Almost, oh my god. Unity, ECS Unity? I need that? Okay. I'll put it then. ECS Unity, boom. Apply! Oh, come on, can I see some tank? Where's my tank? In the base. What the hell's that? What's your problem? I gave you the num. Is it because I need to name the folder exactly the same? No, I don't need to. Come on. What's it doing? Come on. SQNM something like this. Blah blah blah. So why the hell is base not in there for that? You can see everything except enum. Okay, sometime Unity also need a break, so we're gonna kill Unity this time. Bye-bye, Unity. Bye! I'm gonna open that up again. Just bleep and bloops. Come on, as soon as I see some tank guy, it's gonna be okay for today. It'll be a very short stream again, like I said. But the kids got to be taken. Get. It's a proper sentence. SQG. Why the hell is it not there? SQG game. SQG enum. What the hell? Come on. So for some reason, this one doesn't want to be applied. That's weird. Because the extreme amount of base, listener discretion is advised. Oh, is it because of that? It might be because of that. Because I did not put stuff here into enum. That might be why. Why? Okay, so this guy here, he's happy, but here, ID to font, you are not happy. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and change it for bleeps and bloops. Okay, back, source, SQG, model item, like over here, and then here, I'm gonna go not month, font, boom, replace. Boom, there you go. Sounds. God damn it. Yeah, please. SQGNM. I forgot to put the namespace here, and that's why everything is breaking. SQG game, not game, NM. There we go. Is it gonna cry everywhere? I think so, right? I think so. Okay, model sound, boom. Can you be namespace? Namespace. Okay. SQG.nm. Boom. Boom. And then I take this up to here. Boom. Next. Language. Same thing. Namespace. SQG. nm. I'm gonna copy that this time. I'm gonna go this, go, next, go. Text factory, same. Boom. I'm gonna get faster. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. FLA and M. Same thing. Come on. Boom. 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 What's your problem? Nothing. There's no problem. You're a problem. Boom, 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 boom. Next. Ah! Okay, that's why. Come on, I just want to do this. Alright. Oh yeah, and the main game here, it might break because I changed the engine a lot. That should be good. Can we have some tank? Please. I want to give you some tank. This I don't need to. Symbol instance, I think I don't need to as well. Unloaded. Is it because I'm loading it here already? I believe so. Okay. So here, if I go override on, come on, unloaded. I don't need to do this. I think I can just do the other one, right? Yep, it does call init already, so I'm not sure what init will do. Maybe it will break, I don't know. Oh! It does compile! Do we have a tank? Do we have a tank? Oh, come on. Almost. Where's that tank? Default game system. Something. Let me check. Oh, let me check. Default main game here is in Berserk ECS. Okay, but I thought I put that into init base. Did I? Should be doing that. Symbol manager, right over there. What's your problem, bro? Oh, it's because I called it in start. No. What's your problem? Not set to a reference or an object. It is. It is referred to an object or an instance. You're not referred to anything. How about that, huh? Init base, come on. Init Simon. It does from init base, alright? And what does it start? Does it start from init base? So init Simon? Yeah, init Simon. That's me. That's me. Does this override the other dude? Oh, actually, I don't need that. I don't think so. Maybe I was doing it twice or something like that. Sounds like it. Jewel! Jewel K56, what up? Welcome aboard, my friend. Do we have a tank, Latch? I promise you a tank. I'm a man of my word. Ah! Almost. Almost a tank. Where's my tank? I want a tank before the end of the stream. Alright? As soon as I see a tank, I'm happy with life. Tank is love, tank is life. FTU here, that's weird. And here, I think that's weird as well. What about that though? So if I do this, init Simon, FTU is inaccessible because go to hell. Okay, this I don't need that, and I don't need that as well. Boom. I just need those two actually. Go, 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 go! Come on, come on, come on, come on! I want a tank. Start. Ah! So close. FTU draw. It's a problem. What's your problem, bro? Update something something. It says that here everything is broke. Object not set to a reference or something something. It is. Come on, game object something here. Cheat code unlock. Am I in the project settings editor? Okay. Oh yeah, reload domain, reload scene, please. I wanna keep doing that for now, cause why? Why, Lisa? Why? Is loaded equal true? Don't you go there? Come on. Stop. Start. You don't go there at all. You don't even go to start. What's your problem, bro? Okay, debug then .log gros caca. Will it go there? Why does it call update before calling start? What the hell is this? That makes no sense. Start. No, same. So it called update before calling start? What the hell? What if I do this? Instance, different than null are equal null. Very, very bad code right now. Don't look, please. Don't look. Start. Nothing. Okay, init Simon here. Hinner is from init base. Let's go check out what init other dude. What does he do here? Init Simon. Init base. It's exactly the same as this guy over here. Is it because I do this? It might be because of that. Maybe it's because of that. It was overriding the guy above. Yay! Tank! Tank! We have a tank! We have a tank! Boom! Boom! And also we have gros caca. Look at that. Yeah! We had, I promised you a tank! Okay, I can remove the gros caca now. I'm gonna clean up my gros caca. That was why. There we go. So I got a tank. Yay! So before I go, I can show you what's happening. So what is happening is okay. So if I go to F2U asset, for example, I got the XML here. So start from the beginning. All right. I have a little tool here called Flash.Unity here, so I can drag Swift in there and then compile it into XML, into separate texture, and finally sprite sheet. it will deliver those things here into an XML over here. So if I double click on this, you will see that here are all the texture and all the animation and the matrices needed and the Tintin, the alpha, blah, 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 of every single frame of all animation. So then I put that to Unity. Unity will look at this, will create an asset out of it here into the tank. You will see that I have a beautiful asset over here. If it does not want to break, I think it might break because it's a pretty big file. But anyway, it's an asset. Maybe this one? No, you really just don't want to. Anyway, it's an XML basically, so it says like you should put this texture on this place. Then I have a little, okay, the entire thing is just broken entirely. Okay, there we go, that's why. So if I go back here, I should see it. I should see it. It doesn't, okay, whatever. Show Explorer, here, you can check out here, I have a beautiful spaghetti monster here, and we have our beautiful tank over here. So that is our tank, movie clip by movie clip, all the shapes here and there. So the XML will tell me at this position, this time, you should have this little part of the texture at that place. So then I can read that into Unity and say, hey, go to and stop frame 5, for example. And it will reconstruct that. The way that will render the thing, if I press pause, I go to scene over here. Whoa! Let's zoom out of it. Whoa! So you can see that this is my beautiful scene. But if I go 3D, you can see that you can see nothing. What? You should be able to see them separated. It's my god, it's so close that everything is Usually you could see the layer between the texture, you know, but anyway, you can see like the millions of layers, the millions of little texture over here. So as you can see, at Berserk Studio, we use Unity in a weird way. In my scene right now, there's nothing. There's only a camera and a little game object with one script, and that's it. That's what's gonna be there for the entire production of the game, because everything is inside our own ECS system. And then we can pull out Unity rendering system to put like NES, for example. So so yeah, it's a bit weird, I know, and I don't even recommend anyone to do that. But because we are so used to our own workflow, and our entire workflow has been optimized for ourselves here at Berserk, I don't see why I will change for like the game objects and all that. Especially that our artists, Emily, Mark, and Etienne, they're all like professionals into Animate CC, Flash, you know. Yes, Flash is dead, the Flash player is dead, and it's, you know, it's dead basically. But the animation, not the animation, but the software to animate stuff, it's not dead at all. It will still be there, and Adobe will still need an animation tool in their entire Creative Cloud process. There's a lot of cool project out there that still rely on Animate. For example, BoJack Horseman use Animate to make the show. So that is not going anywhere. It's still a fantastic software to animate stuff in 2D. And making UIs as well and all that, you know. So we rely a lot on Animate, and it's also, after 10 years, it's kind of our signature here at Berserk, you know. It's a feeling that only us have, I do believe, you know, or at least not much people like Behemoth, for example, have the same, not same signature, but the same feeling. Juicy Beast as well. They go from Flash and go to Unity as well, you know. So since we already have something that has a specific flavor to us, and that's something that's very hard to work for when you're a game dev, since we already have that, I don't want to get away from that. Plus our workflow, again, super optimized. I can do something in Flash, boom, compile, boom, and the animation is now in Unity, you know. So that's why I do the entire thing here. And now a little something very stupid and small, but I want to show you, like, all the logic will be in here in the future. Maybe I can show you a little something. Yeah, I will show you a little something. Alright? Boom. A little secret. Since you guys behaved and you've been very gentle and very nice with me, I'm gonna show you something. Salut Olivier! Salut Olivier. Olivier's right here. He's one of our caller here, Berserker. Really respect him. He's a fucking brilliant mind. I love him so much. Salut Olivier. Oh, and I see Alec as well. Alec Master. Is it Alec from Berserk? Is it the Alec? I want to show you something. Alright, that looks like another project. Alright, but sheesh. Don't tell anyone. Alright, don't tell Mike. Alright. Don't tell anyone. I should put a controller. Look at that. Can I move it? Yeah, I can move it around. Pew 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 pew. Oh, I can put some monsters. Pew 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 pew. I don't know why it's lagging as hell on my side. Pew 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 pew. Okay, that's all. Let's go to the map. That's all. Not gonna show more than that. No little project we're working on. But the reason I'm putting that up here is because this game here, this little prototype we're having here, you can see that the entire logic of the game here is inside this little folder over here. So if I go there and go properties, you will see how many files there are. 576 files. Let's divide that in two because there's a lot of metadata, but it's still 200, what, 80? 90? 90? Almost 300 file. 300 classes that need to be compiled and all that, you know? So it's looking to an average project right now. Why am I showing you this? Not because I want to flex with a number of files, but because here I have everything here inside an assembly definition, as I did with the other project here, SQG Game, that relies on all those beautiful DLLs right over there. But right here, no engine reference. That means that anything inside those folders, any classes inside the logic of the game itself, has no idea that it's being inside Unity. So the game, if I say like, okay, shoot ammo, go move 5 feet forward, the pixels, blah, blah, and like saving data, inputs, everything, the entire code that the game rely on has no idea that's being compiled in Unity. And I'm very proud of that, because that means that I can pick this entire 300 files and again, just put that into MonoGame instead, plug that there, and it's gonna run on this other engine. So if Unity says tomorrow, oh, by the way, Unity doesn't work, we're closing up, you know, and just destroy the entire software, well, I can put my little engine, just like scatter shit, and go to the other platform. It's like, all right, come, that's my land now. Bam! And put a flag on and see, like, that's my land now. Like, just like this, you know. So, yeah, I hope it makes some sense, but I'm really, really proud of that. And on this note, I have to go fetch my kids, and I'm very happy that I did promise you some tank, and I delivered some tank. So guys, thank you very much for sticking today. I had a lot of fun. Even though like I made like some minimal thing, I made something very simple, like a starter kit, and just start from the beginning. But we made a tank. That's how it start. That's start. So anyway, I need to go, guys. I love you all. You guys are the best. I'm just gonna quit like this. Boom. Maybe host someone. I don't know, but I really have to rush. I love you all. You guys are the best, especially you. Goodbye.